some of you, at least one of you, or hopefully all of you, will learn to appreciate multimedia more than you have before you have attended this session. And I would like to take off from Reverend Sun's acknowledgement of the role of English, and the role of the Word of God, that everything begins with that word. And behind that word is a thought. And behind that word is a thought, a divine thought, to say, there will be the world, there will be the universe, there will be life, there will be you and I. And if I may pay tribute to the greatest artist, to the greatest multimedia artist in the universe, it will be God. Because we are now, at this very moment, witnessing His performance, witnessing His show for us to see, for us to experience, for us to love. There's one very nice image that I have taken to heart, and it's an Indian image that says that God is the dancer, and we, His creatures, are His dance. There's this kind of an intimate relationship between the Creator and the creatures. And as far as I would like to participate in that creation, my experience has been with multimedia. And that is what I would like to share with you today. Actually, I prefer not to talk too much because that's the role of multimedia. It's supposed to speak for itself. It's supposed to be there and for you to be engaged in, to relate to, get the message, and be engaged in it. Okay, so I begin with showing something. This is from Tagaytay. Have you been to Tagaytay? The residency was encountered a tiger there. Anybody was touched the tiger? Oh, yeah. Well, I feel privileged to have been able to touch one and decided I should make some video about it. So our topic for today is multimedia for global communication. Later on, I'd like to revise our topic. But in the meantime, this is...